Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Scratch again. In this video we go to the lesson 25 using variable with artist. Okay, so for the first puzzle, if we have another question here, okay, we have set variable length to 50. What will happen when you click run? Okay, look to the code, the set length variable with 50 value. Okay, it means that we assign the 50 to the length variable, and after that we move forward that length. It means that 50 pixel, and after that turn to left. So after you click run, what will happen? Okay, the answer A, the artist will draw triangle with 50 pixel size. B, the artist will draw a 50 side polygon with 3 pixel size. Okay, I think this one should be the first one, A. Draw a triangle with 50 pixel size. Okay, this one, no need to read more. Okay, that's correct. Continue. Okay, in this video, we'll be introduce you about the variable with artist. Okay, so for me, just skip it. Continue. Okay, puzzle 3. Let's start this section by drawing a triangle with 150 pixel size. Okay, be sure to use length variable and a repeat loop. So just need a loop. Okay, and after that you need to move over it by length. But before that, you have to use the variable set length. Okay, we assign the set length with 150 pixel, and then need a repeat loop, and after that you need another one is the turn left by 120. Okay, run. Okay, continue. Okay, rebuild the triangle code from the last puzzle, but this time also add a new block to add 10 to the length each time the loop finish. Okay, change length by block. Okay, the length of the first side of the triangle is 150 pixels. So you just need to use a variable again to draw this. Set the length to 150 pixels again. Need the loop again. Okay, need the action length, and after that turn the same. But each time of these two lines of code work, you have to change the variable. It means that add 150 by 10. It means 160. Okay, every time the loop finish. Okay, so let's try. Okay, correct. Continue. So time to make some art. Okay, see what happened when you repeat the code for the last puzzle 30 times instead of 3. Okay, so feel free to make the line any color or pattern for some extra steps. Okay, so let's try. This time we try it for 30 times, and you can use the brush. Take some code from this. You can set pattern, set width, or set color, random color, or color you like. For me, I like set a random color, but set random color is not put here. If you set here, you can see you have only one color here. So I do not set that. I set it here. Okay, every time the loop work, the color will be changed. Okay, finish it, run it. Okay, can you see? I drag it faster. Okay, this is what we see. Okay, so this time we repeat it 30 times and use the set color with the random color, and you can use any what you like. Okay, just finish it. Continue. Okay, here a code from the last puzzle. Okay, try editing the variable in the another way. Okay, so what happens if you start out with length less than 150. You can try it. You can try it only 100. Okay. Run. Okay. It's like that. Okay. If you change the length by the number greater or less than 10, okay, you can change it to 50. It maybe the have more space between the line, right? Okay, like that. If you put it only 5, okay, what happened? Okay, it will be like that. Okay, if you change the turn to 119, okay, like this, you can see we will draw this 121, and you will see this. Okay, that's all we have tried. Finish it. Okay, so feel free. Take what you have learned and make your own drawing. Okay, how can you use variable with square, pentagon, or hexagon? Okay, for me, let's see what happened here. Okay, this is the last word. Okay, now I change it to be square. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, this time we make a square. You put it only 50. Okay, what happened? Okay, look more cute, but you can add more like this to 50 times. Okay, like that. Okay, if you want to be hexagon, you just change this to 60 degree. Okay, but this time you make it a little bit small. You put only 10. Okay, let's try. And this one not. This one should be 1. Okay, you can add more to 100. Okay, like that. Feel, feel free to play for this. Okay, you can change this for 25 or 45. Okay, okay, that looks so cool for this. And this one you should turn it to 5. This one it should be 200. It's up to you guys. Feel free. Okay, that's all. So finish it. So that's all for this lesson 25, using variable with the artist. Okay, so see you in the next video.